Hi, I'm Kate, and this is a quick comparison of the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste and Miracle Cream Cleaner. So they're both really good at removing stains, but they are slightly different products, and I just wanted to talk about that. So the cream cleaner I personally use on my stone countertops that I have because they stain really easily and only a cream cleaner will really lift the stains. So this is really good for sort of countertops, it's good for cleaning sinks, it's good for cleaning tiles, anything with like a deep stain inside the house that you want to lift. However, the Miracle Cleaning Paste is a lot more heavy duty. You can use this outside as well as inside. It's great for stains, but it's like chunky paste and it's for like, yeah, much more heavy duty tasks. So I like to use both all the way around the house, but just depending on what kind of stain or what kind of grime I'm trying to lift, I'll choose between the cream cleaner and the cleaning paste. So I'm going to demonstrate now how both work. So this is the cream cleaner. It's really good for things like these coffee stains that a normal sort of multi-purpose spray doesn't quite lift, and it leaves a really nice clean look. This is the Miracle Cleaning Paste, so it's good at getting off much tougher stains. This is a door frame that's been really grubby for years, and even though the product is pink, it doesn't leave a pink residue behind. As you can see with these scuff marks, it just wipes off sparkling clean. So those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this comparison helpful.